Okay, so I want to talk to you about whole numbers versus decimals, okay? Because there's a big difference. So if we look at this place value chart right here, we are used to seeing ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. We're used to that. Those are whole numbers, okay? Those are whole numbers. We know that the further left we work on our place value chart, okay, the greater our number is going to be, right? We know tens are greater than ones, hundreds are greater than tens, right? I don't want $10, I want $100. I don't want $100, I want $1,000. So we know that the further we work our way left, the greater our number is going to increase. However, we have this side of the place value chart, the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousands. And guess what? Those are less than one. Okay, this is like pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters. I want a dollar, right? I don't want a dime. Okay, so this is less than one. So if we're thinking money, we want to stay away from here. I want to stay over here. So this is everything that is less than one. Okay, everything that is less than one. So when you look at the place value chart this way, okay, it's important to remember that the further you get away from one, the further we go away, our number is decreasing. Okay? And I know that that's hard for some of us to understand because we see thousands and you think thousand. A tenth is greater than a thousandth. A tenth is greater than a hundredth. A hundredth is greater than a thousandth. So when we work our way this way, our number is actually getting smaller. Okay, it's actually getting smaller. So I want to go ahead and show you, okay? And you know what, I'll do it in the next video. I'll show you what I mean by that. I'm going to actually input some numbers here in the place value chart. But the big thing to remember is that we want to stay right here. These are our whole numbers, okay? These are our whole numbers, right? And they get greater as we move to the left. But if I start thinking this way, right here, these are our numbers that are less than one. They are less than one. So when I move this way, I am actually decreasing in value. I am getting further away from my whole number.